Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lakemoor, local and long distance movers near me. Our team of movers can give you the right options to get you to where you need to go, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing a moving company to help you relocate across the country or even one state over is a big deal. You need a team that you can trust to show up on time and get you the things you need to your new home safely. With our help, you'll have nothing to worry about throughout the moving process. Hiring an Illinois moving company can seem like it's not necessary for a local move. A closer look at the benefits might have you seeing things a bit differently. However, the right local moving company not only saves you time, but also makes sure you don't have to do any of the hard work. A moving company like 3 Movers will give you all the benefits you desire. We make a local move super simple. Our team of movers will get to your new location faster. If you want to settle in sooner and with more energy, we can make that happen for you. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lakemoor moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.